पहले मेरे हर चीज का टाइम फिक्स था, टीचिंग से लेके शेविंग तक, पर अब नहीं। कैसे?
EyeRIS AI डिजिटल बोर्ड से। इसमें है 3D tools and simulations that helps teachers to create interest in students and active learning games for optimal student attention and engagement. The bright AI assistant can generate lesson plans based on 5E and other popular frameworks in seconds. And it can also generate tests as per Bloom's taxonomy instantly, that too in multiple languages. Teachers can optimize their time effectively through PDF summarization and document-based chat, while conducting live quizzes during classes, which enhances student engagement. Class recordings, homework, and practice tests can be accessed by the students from anywhere and anytime. With the cloud-connected apps, parents get notified about their kids' progress on a day-to-day basis. The AI Monitor functionality empowers school leaders to access live classroom feeds and gain valuable insights into student engagement. And the broadcasting feature enables them to send messages or directly address students anytime and from anywhere. EyeRIS AI Digital Board से वायरस सर का स्कूल तो ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गया. Now it's your turn.